one's nights. Asleep seems a far-off, impossible sight. Remember, dear parents, though tempting it seems, cough syrups for children aren't magical dreams. The common cold's bothersome, that much is true, but most medications won't push the bug through. Though rare side effects from these meds can arise, so weigh carefully the risks versus price. For children past one, a spoonful of honey might soothe scratchy throats better than any money could buy at the store in a bottle or pack. A natural remedy to get good sleep back. Keep your child hydrated, the air nice and moist. Avoid all the irritants, that's doctor's voice. These simple measures, though humble they seem, can bring more relief than a pharmaceutical dream. So next time a cough keeps your household awake, remember these tips for your little one's sake.